Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginner. In this video, you are going to learn about groups. Okay, in this video, actually, we are going to create some groups and add some user in this group, as well as we will delete some of them. Okay, so let's get started. Before starting, I want to show you that uh, to know that my current username, who am I? This is my current username. Okay, it is Zite. Okay, uh, that is it's important that you should know about username that you are currently use here. Okay, so to know that this user are connected to which groups, or to know the names of those groups, we have the command groups. This groups will show us all the groups existing and my which are connected to my user. Okay, so to know that how many groups are here in your operating system right now, we have the command. First, before command, I want to show you that my current location is I'm in home directory. Okay, so we have a directory in home directory called etc. These groups are actually stored in etc. Okay, so cat etc group. This command will show me all the groups are which are existent in my Kali Linux operating system. Okay, so here I want to create another one. To create another one, it is pretty easy and simple. Just we came here and type sudo. Okay, group add. I want to create a new group. Okay, here you should type the name of the group you want to add. I want to create the new group by the name of um, USA. Okay, I want to create a group by the name of USA. Simply hit enter button and see, type your password, sudo password. Okay, so this group has been created. To know, just type this command again and see this group has been added. Okay, so you can create much more. Like I want to create another one by the name of India. Okay, this group has been added. Okay, now let me show you. This is the India group and this is the USA group. To add the users in this group, okay, right now I have one user called Zaid. I want to add this user in this India group. Okay, so it is simple. Just to type sudo gpa swd. This command will actually do what will do. This command is used to add, okay, the user. Okay, this we use this command, and after this we have to flex -a -a. This one is used to add the group, and -d is used to delete the group. Okay, so I want to add. Okay, I want to add this user card. What is the name of the user? I want to add this Zite user, and after this just type the name of the group. Okay, the name of group I want to add in this India group. India doesn't exist. Okay, it is by capital letter. I is in capital. India. This user has been added. To see the user, just type the command again and see this India group. This MyZite user is connected to this India group. Okay, so to delete back this user, we have simply the command again, sudo gps swd. -d is used to remove the user. I want to delete the Zite user from this group. Okay, India group. Now we see that this user has been removed from India group. Okay, to delete how we can delete the groups, so it is completely simple. Just you type sudo group. Okay, group delete. This group del command is used to delete the group, and after this you should type the name of the group you want to delete. I want to delete this USA group. Okay, so for deleting this, just type the name of that group, USA. Okay, let me show you. Here we go, the group has been deleted. Okay, but by this way you can create groups and you can add some user to groups, and as well as you can remove some groups. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.